previous discussion, I discussed about making academic CV. It is very important. It's a prerequisite if you want to bag Erasmus Mundus Scholarship. And before now, CV on the Erasmus is very different from the other programs because some programs under this body asks for just one page. Your CV needs to be one page. But for other schools, other programs, it can be three, it can be four. But for this, specifically this, it has to be a single page. And how do you go about making this page to just be one page? Um, we are going to practicalize it. This is just the way for you to make your CV using Canva. Canva is a very wonderful tool. If this is your first time of hearing the word Canva, you can check it out. It's a very professional tool. We use it for many things. But we are going to limit today. We are limiting it on how you can use this Canva to create document, creating a CV, which is an academic CV. It just has to be just one page. Um, if you don't have an account, just go to canva.com, create an account. When you create an account, you also have this interface. If you already have an account, just log in and also you'll be here. And we'll start by going to just search for CV. When you search for CV, click on enter, it will load. It will bring about more than this is about 10,913 interface, so which is the template rather. This is more than enough for you to make an academic CV. So just choose one out of all these things. You just need to choose one. For the sake of this video, I will go with this one. So when you click on it, it will say customize. So you customize this template. When you customize this template, then you can go on by editing, you know. So just come to the bottom right hand corner. So you will see this zoom. That's where you can zoom it to maximum or to the limit that you are comfortable with. I'll tell you to always use a PC because you can also use Canva, you can use it on phone, but it will not be that easy for you to do all these things. So using your PC will be much more better. So this is a template that we want to edit to match whatever we have already. So just come here. When you want to edit anything, click on it twice, then you'll have it. So I click on this name of Richard twice. Then I can change it. Let's say my name is Michael Smith. So I click on it twice, Michael Smith. So I've changed this successfully. So for this, let's say my job role, maybe I'm a civil engineer. So whatever your case may be, so just put it there. Go to the profile. So this profile, it can be either way. Because we are making academic CV, you need to start with maybe a profile, then your research interest. But some, you can create your own to start with um, research interest, then you move to profile. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to limit myself to profile, then I will do for research interest. So you can also adjust this. You move it to the place like any. If it's just by this place, this is where you can be able to move it freely. So let me move. You can also use the shift key to have highlight maybe 2, 3, so you can easily move it with your arrow. That's it. Keep tab. So I want to create a profile. You just come to this, you click on the word, then you come to this double plus, like this plus, you duplicate. When you duplicate, you'll be able to, you have successfully copied that word. So, okay. I said I want to start mine as research interest. So a research interest, what am I interested in? So the research interest might be two, might be three, depending on your research interest. Create this column, and then under it you put your interest. For instance, let me say, okay, my research interest is sustainable mining. I'm also interested in environmental management. So notice that this is too big. So we need to reduce it. Just highlight. When you highlight, you come to this, you're seeing this is the font size, and this you can reduce. You see, I've been able to reduce to the size that I want. So you can do that too, to the size that you want. So the next profile is the profile. Profile is just talking about you, but I don't think it's necessary to have a profile, since you know you're just applying for a scholarship. But some, you, if you want, you can retain it there. But for me, I don't want to include it in my own case. So this is what I have, my case name, my research interest. So in your CV, it can be either way. For this, I can come and create another column. So I'll name this. I will name this research. Research. Um, maybe okay. Research slash teaching experience. Okay, we'll create this later on. We'll create this place later on. So I haven't done this. So you move to, because your school, you also edit this part whereby you have your contact, your detail, this place, you remove this, you can put your LinkedIn profile. Um, so your education, this is your school, your what you graduated with. So this is just bachelor. This person already done master. So just put bachelor only, and then your CGPA, then your skills, everything will be highlighted there. So still talking about this, what can I include? Since I'm going to a research, I'm going for a research. So you can come here, create create yes. So let me okay. Eh, So I want to create something that I will call training slash certification. Yes, certification. So under this place, if you have done, you can also copy this, duplicate. If you have done something on Coursera, on Udemy, you can put the title of whatever training that you've undergone under Coursera, and then you have certification. Just list everything there, and that that is that. So when you do that, then you also create another column called okay. So it doesn't. You just have to know what you want to do. So if you have listen, you put research slash teaching experience or experiences. So your research or teaching experience, um, if you don't have a teaching experience, just put a research, and your research, you've done a project when you were in the bachelor, your thesis. So you just put that research, you type the research. Maybe I did something on, let me see, something on So when you do that, you just your research, I believe your thesis is what you put here, your undergraduate thesis. Let me say I do something on sustainable mining, just like I have here. So I put it there. This is what I do. Then you describe the thesis, your thesis. Let me put. Let me say. Okay. Um, my my thesis advisor. You just put thesis advisor after you've already write the name and what's the short description. Your thesis, maybe Professor Ajanoko. Just write it there, and that is that. Then the year you can put it there. Then the work experience, you list your experience that you have so far. That is how you go about editing this page. When you come to reference, it's not a must that you should put the names of your recommenders. It's not a must. You can remove it. So I want to push it. So you don't need to keep it. Just what I want to do is just to remove this, delete, delete, delete. Uh, so you delete as delete, delete, delete. I'm doing this so that we can create an extra space. So you can just, instead of writing the name, just put it made available, made available upon request. That is the best thing you should do there, so that you have more. So when you are done, like you are satisfied with everything that you've done so far, just come to this place. Okay, we're about to change picture. If you want to change the picture, just click on the picture, double click. So sorry, it's not crop. So you have this edit. Click on edit. So you come here, you see upload. Click on the upload. For the sake of this video, I will not go to the process of uploading, but just to tell you what to do, just go to upload files. When you click on it, it will take you to your computer. Then you pick the file, you upload it. When you upload it, the picture will be here. So we just want to put the picture on our CV. You have to click on the picture, then drag, then locate that place the picture is, then place it on top. Then automatically the picture will be placed. Then you just come here. After you are satisfied with everything that you have done, then you just come to share. Click on share, you see download, click on download, then it's already selected PDF. So you don't need to touch it or do anything, just click on download, and automatically your CV, academic CV, will be downloaded to your PC. And that is all you need to do to get your academic CV. Thank you for watching this video to the end. This series continues. I hope to see you in the next. Bye bye. Thank you.
Don't get to hit on my pen and send me the money. I wait for YouTube.